Okay, right about now, introducing Crisis DMB, Congo Sound Show, and you know this.
4000 BC. The wheel.
Introduction. DJ Champion, Slips DJ, DJ Inertia, back to back all the way. Upon the mic myself, NC Solo, Turbo, Tearing, and a Smooth Vessel guest coming up this evening. It's going to be a biggie, people, believe me. Hold tight the last set, hold tight Fly, big up my bretch. And that's the way we roll. 1-1. Okay, champion, what you telling my brethren? We're going to roll this one. We're going to come in nice and early. Hold tight the massive, locked in on the people world waiting. Each and every time. Run now, run now. I'll take MX. I'll take the man like Neo. I'll take the Crisis DMB family. Wait. Do that, Mandingo, do that. Okay, people, that's a back-to-back extravaganza. This shit's about to get nasty. Okay, DJ, let's do this.
Yo, 1 2 1 2 1 2. I'll take the solo. Champion Slips, Interior. Coming straight through. Crisis. 1 2. Yo. Out to all the listeners, live inside. It's time to get started. Yes. Pump it up and pump it up and pump it up and here. Who's ready for this one inside? Yes! Bad boy. DJ Champion live inside. 1 2. I'll tight the slip. Yeah. Pump it up and pump it up and pump it up and here. Pump it up and pump it up and pump it up and here. Pump it up and pump it up and pump it up and here. The sounds that we got to weapon sounding so clear. Pump it up a little bit more. We wanna hear that crowd go raw, raw, raw. Give me some more. On the flame in the floor, in the floor, in the ceiling. Yo, when I come up and I know you're feeling fine. All the time, it's the time of the vibe baseline. Getting started right about now. I'll take the champion. Where's all the listeners at? Saturday night crew. The no sleepers. Yes. Your girl is a flirter, lift up her skirter. Mud on the trainers when she made the boy hurt her. Made the boy cry, we don't know why. But that bitch now punch it in the eye. Never gonna be that waste man in the corner. Picking the mic up hotter like a sauna anytime. When I come I got the new line, old line is whack mate. When I come I got the new flow. People the bass just don't know. When we come we taking a lot and again and again. When we come after the weekend, when we got that penny wheeling. When we come and they don't know them, we come and they don't know me. Turbo down another city. Growing up it is a pity. When we come and they got no money. Just warms it in. I'll tighten the solo. Interior. Representing the Champion's Castle. This is how we doing it. This is how we doing it. Someone on inside the place, so when we coming out sounding shit. Yeah, that's right, it's a brand new year. We coming up clear. Yeah, that's right, we don't care. Anytime you better be there. If not there, where you been again, get rid of back, keep pumping up again. When we coming, they don't know them. Somebody gonna show them. Yeah, that's right, we give it to me. We coming lively. Bad man forever when you come follow we. Yes. We're just getting warmed in. We're gonna blaze it tonight. Everybody's feeling alright. Yes. Yo, bubble, 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 water. Anytime we step for the bass, there's nobody better. Lively Monday. Yeah. I'll tell all the listeners live inside. As you get you hyper. When we just walked in here. Just getting started right about now. 7 till 8:30. Bringing you the freshers. Yeah, that's right. Every weekend, you know we're doing this thing. Yeah. What's up, boy? Run that. Run. Where's on the DJ? Where's on the... Oh, shit. Run the mixture. Stepping up again, but they're gonna get more, but they're coming at me, gonna say that it's all I don't be so now, but a bit more now, no face up in the cradle, being out bending you in the course, I get my drift, you ain't no more, bit of a mess, you up, not get it all, bit of more, bit of a go, bit of a go, bit of a get, but you can get more, with the game, but my car never goes on, you and these, what's up, you're not me.
my foot to the floor, but the getting high, but the roll, but the vibe, but the roll, but the gear, but the gear, but the time, but the gear, but the mic, can't never call right now, DJ. You know the right. No, you never sign that together. All your empty smoking cheddar. I'ma call you margarita. You stupid, I'm clever. You think you're good, I'm better. You disappear like Paul McGinty. You got it, because I'm all the days today. You're gonna fight and the balls, you're gonna hate, and the boys gonna fuck you one last time of night. Coming at you, but it's all fight, no stand back. It's not your doing, and I'm gonna watch her moving, and I'm gonna watch her bet your burn these. Wow. Absolutely nasty. And that's the way rolling about now. DJ Champion. We're on the mix of my brethren. Crisis DMB. Also on the listeners, man, you know it's worldwide thing.
Someone hears these words.
Slits.
Perhaps
Inertia.
it is not true.
Back to back of business.
There is a world about.
Oh my
A
days.
magnificent universe to which you
One
can return.
drum, bass on it on the run. Bass, one on it on the run. Drum, one on the bass line. Okay, DJ, what you tell them on the bass line on this one?
Find
Oh
the
shit.
and you will find your freedom.
Oh my days. Good hey. Good day. Yeah. Just getting the vibes in. Yes. Who's ready for this one inside? Yo. We tell them what a winner, what a winner, what a winner, what. Boys think you're heavy, then you're not no more. Time I'm picking the mic, I want a bad boy for sure. Anytime I come, you know I'm laying down the law. Bubble. When I come on board to the door like me, double the D. Never the man, now come for the B. I'm gonna sign up, I provide up. Picking the man, then time get iPod. Inside that feeder, this whole picture, I'm going to let's go fever. Step on there, step on in. Step on there. But I'm gonna mix it, sounding so clear. DJ Slip, never by the atmosphere. Hot that on the street inside, the strong of bass master, so we rock up the rider. Time to get locked in. Keep it moving. DJ Slits, you running up my brethren. Nothing but nastiness. Champion back-to-back all business. Hold tight MX, my brethren. I know you're locked. It's all about the Crisis DMB family right about now. Hold tight the man like Neo. Hold tight Rusty, one shot. Hold tight Storm, my brethren, Surgeon. And you know this. Okay. Good. Check, 1, 2. Rolling straight through right about now. DJ Slick, good that mix up blend. DJ Slick, with that mix up blend. Like my friend, doing that again. What will the mixer? That, what will the blender? That, what will the mixer? That, what will the blender? Hey, what will the mixer blend? What will the mixer blend? Listen to the Slick, like my friend, doing that again. We set that the set, we doing that again. Come on, make some master set, they're rocking again. On to other kill. North to the south, to the east, to the west. You know that drum and bass is at the best. House, hip-hop, garage, you know you can't test. On the master set, where my jungle is. Dubstep trance, the one that's techno. See you know you can't represent the drum and bass flow. Here they go, here they run, here they flow, here they go. Easy does it. Chris FM. What's that on the listeners? check, check, check. Fire. What's that? All the drinking massive, all the smoking massive, all the messy crew. Yeah, yeah. Sounding so sweet. Listen to the slips, yeah. Drop that the beat. It's drum and bass inside. Yeah. We're drinking the beer, we're drinking the wine. We're smoking up the reaper, say we're snorting up the line. Listen to my DJ say your world's sublime. Doing it, say we're doing it all the time. Sub-low, champion, what a turbo. Slips on the deck, Matty G. Listen to my DJ say we're doing properly. Wind up your back, wind up your belly. Don't like keep it in so doom and a big on the mic and a typical boom. Bound to the earthquake, calm and the boom and the over and over and down to the groove. Calm and the best with the coming on, team and the dome and the mouth and the dog who do say hurt. Say hey, get back coming on through. Start to the zoo, to the mouth, to the mouth, to the bitty, get a bit of hype, to the mood, to the beat, to the down, to the moonlight, get a bit of night light. Okay, so yeah, like now quick tonight, we have no right. Now listen to my DJ about to reach out the height. Boom, to the man, to the bass, to the man, to the man, to the man, to the big baboon. Sound to the bass, to the man, to the bass, to the man, to the big, to the sound, to the sound to the bass, to the man, to the bass, to the man, to the big, to the sound, to the turbo, man, the rinse, and man, the sound down there. Turbo, leave it a turbo, no, get rid of the bass and drop my boy with the rum and the answer for it. When we come out through the weekend, and yeah, that's why we tell them again. When we come out through the weekend, penny we got that penny we lit. When we come and they don't know it, we come and they don't know me. Turbo down the number city, growing up it's a pity. When we come and they got no money, things are funny. Anytime we ride it on, rolling on. Turbo D, we coming on strong. Yeah, that's right, we're number one and number two. When we come and the party through, just so we know what to say, just so we know what to do. Anytime you're inside, when we come and come, you're rocking with the sound on the bass and the drum.
Take it, so go back like a jungle. Show my EPD, coming up switching on your center and the beat. So when I aim and the thing, I'm blazing, I'm not trying to be. Yo, tweet up, pass it on that, take your head, but never go wrong. Then you look like a piece of drum like my EP. I'm a dapper down with the beginning rhyme, with the beginning to your arm and the back, make the baby. Killing it, with the bad boy crew, killing it. With the L2 crew, with the L2 crew, with the L2 crew, your arm and the mic, make the baby. Up and digging in the pig in the weapon, the chugging the mic in the coming, the getting the map in the tagging, you know when the sucking the back, you know when the hacking the back in the back, and the digging in them. We're taking them, we're sucking them, we're very tipping the bit to be aware, tipping the bit to be aware. No come for the fun, no name in the way, no with a bit of mind without the beer. No sit back, not in your shade with the soul and speak. I'll come in the day, with the coming in the day, with the getting in the mind, with the getting in the mind, with the cool sand, with the mood, with the coming out there. Move to the bass, right in the bass, right to the beginning, with the getting in the mouth, with the getting in the mind, with the full control, with the gear, with the mind, with the bass, right now, with the mind, with the mind, with the bass, with the mind, with the bass, with the mind, with the bass, with the ground. No DJ, cause our DJ, what's a whip? The S, the L, the I, the P, that the Z. You know that the slicks better than the rest. No DJ ever, no contest. Pull up real fast, and it's back on the chest. Jam it, come correct. Listen to my DJ ever smash up the set, yeah. Hot up the slicks on this one, bad boy. With the rubber dance man. Put up on the mic, champion. Hot packs up low, hot packs up low. Yeah, we come to rock the show. Jesus, go tell me, show them.
Yeah, your girl is a flirter, lift up her skirter. But on the train is when she made that boy hurt her, made that boy cry. We don't know why, but that bitch now punch it in the eye. We still back to deal where she come from. How many man has she had in here? Look at her face, which is looking shit. But we don't really care about the clothes that you wear. We don't care what you're wearing, we don't care what you got. People that make you think you're hot, now when we come in front of a shot. Yeah, that's what it's up along. Double need to see your name. Anytime we're in the race, no when we come on the thing. Yeah, that's why we television. When we come in television, double need into the bases, no when we come up to the weekend. Yeah, that's what you don't know. Solo, turbo, champion, inside.
Old school massive. Yeah. Slicks trying to make the blender. Take it back to the old school. Do the things you used to do. Whistle, whistle, horn school. Nice inside the venue. Blow your whistles, blow your horns. Walking to the massive center to the break of dawn. Take it back to the old school. Do the things you used to do. Whistle, whistle, horn school. Inside the venue. What you gonna say? What you gonna do?
We're gonna take these so low, so low, so low. Slip champion, it's a one turbo. Hot tight Matty in the face, hot tight Laura on the muscle.
Oh, you're phony, crony, don't know me, no one, a load of baloney, no one on you, come and show me, you fuck with my homie, gonna take you down, I'm gonna smash your honey. Only if you know me, fuck you up, that should know me, toe with me, you roll with me, this in my matrimony, you show me, you know, you're a pony. Out the way you do, you're gonna end up kind of lonely, crisis DMB, future DMB, community, I'm in the pool, in the pool, in the green, I'm running to the free, philosophy is mandatory, you take this opportunity, we do this, www.outfaces.dmb.com, do this community, the worldwide do this in the type of thing, the place you got to be. Worldwide team, places to NBC. Every time you be right, pop this out, we'll take the time to check you out, I never go dirty right. 3, 5. Hey! Yo, slip, cut it! Oh, shit! Jesus! Merry Christmas! We're just getting started in here. It's a brand new year. Wind your waistline, up them, down them, move your waistline. Walk up, stable reset one time. Bit of a bad boy slip, stable, drop that baseline. All the master feeling this, Yes. Riding out this one easy. As you're just getting warmed up right about now. Turbo D full effect. Yes. Who's ready for this one inside? We're going to show them each and every time. Yeah. Who's ready for this one inside? Yo, it's time to take on over when we come, the people that know. And see Turbo start and the show when the big of the back, we take it a lot and again and again. We can't make nobody better. Eat and see up for my dinner. Yeah, that's right, I'm a lyrical winner, but to say, we're doing it with the back, but never touch it. Turbo D gonna bowl this year. We can't make coming up here a year. Gonna bowl this year. We can't make coming up here. Turbo D trying to break. When we come, we don't care. We don't care. Who's the fucking not? When the Turbo's in the place, I want to bring a danger. Anytime we step in the place, I'm feeling okay. When the Turbo's in the place, I want to blow them away. Monday to Sunday, Thursday to Friday, Saturday is Friday. When we come and come to the place, what would the master say? When we come inside, a bad man forever. When we ride till we die. Yes. Yes. All tight film of cracking.
The film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of five youths.
Build it up.
For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare.
Double business, find a witness, touch a checklist. One slick boy.
But massacre.
Checking the beat, checking the ride. Checking the beat, checking the ride. Who wanna make the back inside? Back to the beat one time. As we run the slipper stop, slipper slider. One there with the rider. Punch to the back, you're wicked insider. Put it in the back, boy, up in Liverpool, fighter. DJ Slick, baseline dropper.
Ducker, danger, rearrange your face.
Knock your head off your shoulder. Now we're getting older. Tell me what a bad boy, jungle is still soldier. Started off with a 16 and I'm now 26. Let's start out a gutter when I'm into this. We step inside the place and now we're feeling okay. And when the devil's in the place and when you blow them away. And when we step inside the place and when we're doing it. Double D's inside the place and when we come out sound is shit. Bubble, bubble, wanna. Bubble, bubble, wanna. When we step inside the place it's under and the corner. The devil's in the place, you know your life get take over. Anytime you step in the place you're rolling into proper. End your life quickly, you don't wanna mess with me. Devil's in the place and when I represent novice to see. Anytime you're inside, you know we're doing it. Step in the mic inside and when we come, you know we're riding it. You know we're coming up here, oh yeah, and we come again. When we come up in the weekend, the penny we got, the penny we live. When we come, you don't know. Yeah, that's why we got the new flow. It is the winning, never gonna lose it. When we come, we're taking us low. And again and again, we come and nobody better eating these up for my dinner. Yeah, that's right, I'm a lyrical winner, from the state. We're doing it, we might be never touch it. Jump on digging the ball this year. We come and coming up here, oh yeah. Gonna bowl this year. We come and coming up here, oh yeah. Gonna bowl that year. We come and coming up here, oh yeah. Gonna bowl that year. We come and coming to bar solo in the time. I'm gonna be a big song.
Pull the trigger now, get some no fun, gonna make no matter. Head to rock, he's shot now to the deck. You how? You're on the deck. Ching. Gonna make some then I got that face on the head. Take you up that super 10. Don't be the old DJ. Good there. 30. Good. Selector. More to the right now, more to the left, that big up just to make you love less. Yeah, dominator, more to the right now, more to the left. More to the right, you got some more to the left. Yeah, big up your chest to make you love less. Yeah, where my jungle is cool. Where my drum and bass and massive in the venue. Yo, quite it's D&B. Locked in, it's the place to be. Check to the mic, no money going down to the mountain, to the full control, build to the mountain, the bass on, no, but the mountain, the full control, but the move to the ball, but the move to the ball, but the move to the benefit, the game, but the move to the benefit, but the name, but the to the mic, not in the vein, now move to the side of the right, mountain to the benefit, the move, now, but the move to the benefit, get it, but I, mountain to the benefit, we can all find the bass and the bass and the bass, run, but the bass is run, and see turbo, put your bass on bass, why not?
I'm a jungle soldier, older and older, bolder and bolder. So like we got to win, there's nobody better. Eating empties up for my dinner, I'm a winner. Yeah, I'm a jungle soldier, older and bolder. Shot up in the waist, man, and now we're getting older. Anytime we step in the base, I thought that I told ya. We step inside, I'm a bad man, the danger. We step inside the place, you know we're feeling okay. Tables in the place, when you blow them away. Monday to Sunday, Thursday to Friday, Saturday is our day when we come on the display. Yes, hold tight all the listeners once again. Solo, hold tight DJ Interior, Slips Champion, Inertia. Bubble one, rinsing out with the bass and drum. Bubble one, rinsing out with the bass and drum. Bubble one. Now when we come in, nobody better eat and Caesar for my dinner. Yeah, that's right, I'm a lyrical winner. You know we step inside that ring. I'm the king of the ring, that's me. Turbo Dominity, get me the mic now, come follow me. I got a styler, hyper rider, bigger than man, and time get hyper inside that arena.
Wave your hands in the air, yeah. Wave from my van like you just don't care. But a bit of bad boy champion, it's a brand new year, my live inside. Listen to the champion say me fuck up the mic. You better hold on tight, strap on your seat, but come along for the ride. Solo champion, say me side by side. Drum and bass is our life, All the people on the wave on your hand. All the MCs man the wave on your hand. All the raver man the wave on your hand. Gonna wave it round and like me Superman. No, to the bit of man, to the city man, down to the bit of man, come on, get a man, bit of man, to the man, roll to the bit of man, down to the bit of man, get a man, to the man, roll to the bit of man, down to the bit of sound. This is not the champions man, the wicked. Up and down the ILO, round about the here we go. Hey yo, listen to my DJ say we reset their flow. Jump up high, haven't been down low. Are you ready for the snow? It's Christmas time. Send me rock the baseline. Till I spit out my bars, send me spit out my rhymes. Sub on the champion, send me side by side. 93, fuck up the rhyme.
Picking for my big best, my team, they coming on places. They got the style of the end. Spitting on my style tonight. Now let's go back again and back to back into the end. Yo, I'm reaching with my brain tricks. Let's gagging out to the mix. I'm now let's go. Brand new rules to the brand new flow. I jump apart. Get down low, hopping up like an inferno. Yo, pop my drum, talk like a slower when I'm on the microphone. Me back to the bar.
Leave it out.
a tenor. Yeah, drum and bass and mash up with your own back together. You shut up, winner. I'm a big man eating up the dinner. Champion, Liverpool, the #1 winner. Some low, show them.
Lyrics that I gotta write, I grind and infatuate, originate, not on this shit to say, hey, never humiliate, always trying to intimidate, I'm never infatuate, but always fucking generate, now I'm never fed away, always running heavyweight, from the dismay, I'm masters every night and to the day, now when I got my MC and the lyrics that I gotta write, I'm verbally accelerate, but always fucking contemplate my next shot, lyrical rhyme, gonna be great, mate, I'm gonna set my competition on that cause it is intoxicate, don't listen to my DJ by the smash on the gate, no judge it, watch it, Gonna move on, gonna move on, gonna move on. Even the mic and run, whatever the bad, whatever the pop selection. What is my name? What a champion. Me want come and have it say not to London. Just remember where me come from. Never city massive inside the session. Dappa done. Hold tight the DJ. Selector.
Beach in the east, I'm a southeast rider. I'm climbing down, I wanna get higher. Cause this is my desire, to pick up the microphone. When you see me in the place, you better leave me alone. I'm a beast in the east, I'm a southeast rider. I'm climbing down, I wanna get higher. Cause this is my desire, to pick up the microphone. When you see me in the place, you better leave me alone. Leave me alone, me tell them leave me alone. The devil's in the place, and when I'm sitting on my throne. We step inside the place, and when it's time to go home. I'm a 9 to 5 raver, I'm inside my zone. Leave me alone, me tell them leave me alone. When the turbo's in the place, and when we're in our own zone. Solo with the turbo, going back to back. With the stickers to the stickers, and we love it like that.
Put the chicken up in the bed, and the body, the bit of get a bit of sand, and the boat, and the deep, and the back, and the chick, bit of make content. Bit of get, but I'm gonna get, and I'm get a bit of more on, and the bit of a fool, get job, and the deep, and the man, and the bass, do. Go to the boom, and the moon, and the boom, and the moon, and the good, and the game, and the moon, and the game, and the ram, and the dude, and the man, and the main arm, and the braid, and the maid, and the moon, and the way, and the mouth, and the braid, and the mouth, DJ, now competition, now bed, and the Boston.
Champion is my name, setting it up the Hall of Fame. #1 in the drum and bass game. That is my aim, so I feel no shame. DJs, MCs, stepping up the game, oh yeah. Raising up that atmosphere, we don't glitch. Here we go, we're live inside in here. We're live inside the rock ride. Fuck up the mic, I say that back to back. Massive seven rolling inside.
How many drugs have you took tonight? Cause you burned off your face and you're looking alright tonight. You wanna die tonight, you're in the right place. Turbo down with the microphone, you represent the drum and bass. Now how you feeling? Turbo's in the place when I'm wheeling and dealing. Now how you feeling? Tell me how you feeling? Turbo's in the place when I'm wheeling and dealing.
Now by your grand man, do you think it's pure? Do you think it's cut? Boy, you can't be sure. You snorted off a Desmond and you snorted off the floor. Cause you don't give a fuck, all you want is more. You're looking kinda wide and you're wide on the jaw. Now think you should stop? Now though you're getting sore. Now fuck it anyways, man, you're raw to the core. Till one day, boy, you fool to the floor. No shout out to all the druggies, no paranoid feet or messy. Like headlight, find that Kunsaki, no find no Masanaka sushi. And that's the way we roll things right about now. DJ Inertia stepping up, running on with the big thing. Back to back extravaganza, people, and you know this. Hold tight to the worldwide crew, locked in, you know it's a biggie. Hold tight the UK, hold tight Germany. Hold tight Russia, Slovakia, United States, Netherlands, Canada, Turkey, Czechs, Georgia, Poland. You know it's a worldwide thing, people.
Yes. Pick up all the massive inside. Getting hype right about now. Let's do it. Yo, doing it my way, doing it my way, doing it my way on the highway, doing it my way, doing it their way, our way on the highway. When we come up over the say,
listen to the tunes that we play, listen to the lyrics that I spray each and every day. That feel no way, give it a DJ. Yo, tunes, let them play.
1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear, 4. People in the place, do you really want more? I don't think you're ready. Are you ready for me? When the trouble's in the place, and when we get you rowdy, we're gonna get you, they're gonna get you rowdy, mate. I'm overrated now. When we gonna tell them it now, when we come in, never some shit. Double D gonna blow this year. We come in, coming so clear. Yeah, that's right, we're #1. Reaching out with the bass and drum. But with the bomb and add some fun in. When we come in, nobody know that. We come with a brand new flavor. Yeah, that's right, we're on the attacking. You know there's nobody beating. You know we're never sleeping. Double D is in drums and the bass is when we coming up and not dying. We coming and flying, up and going. To the top is where we ride in the end, that's right, we're never flowing. Double the inside, that's solo with the champion. Bad man forever, and we're telling where we come from.
Ride it on the bass, hum on the bass, on the drum. Insist on the scene, that's me, not canning, not undone. Number DJ, not coming on down with the mountain, and coming on down. DJ, not coming on down, no DDD, no DDD, no DJ, not coming on down with the mountain, and coming on down. No DDD, no DDD, no DDD. Yo, no pull the trigger now. Okay, pull the trigger now. Okay, no come back to the lucky gunshot. Gonna ride to the business so quick. Gonna figure out what you want. Tap your 13 minutes on the draw. On stop fool. We can't be stopped. Gonna rinse this out. Gonna ride to the top. Gonna go from the heart. Gonna bite yourself. We're not shitting. Yo, don't come out tonight. Never gonna babble off the trot. Don't get fucked. Got straight to the ground. To the wet. Ain't right to the crowd. No hood to the top. Keep on to the ground. To the taste. To the beat. The cream of the crop. The lid to the make us stop. To the ground. To the dust. To the we should be.
Elephant in lively. Yo, this lyric goes up for all the MCs inside drum and bass right about now. This is the champion's favourite. Champion lyric, we're going to do it right about now. What's up all the luck, they're massive. Are you ready? Elephant in lively, that's a man that's liberty. What up as well? Shabba Shabba. Yes, yo, kid, what you're smoking, DET. Pick up on the mountain, you can walk away, come up and ready. You know I get my break with this nigga's watching. Light on the ghetto, easy MC. Killer, one day on the way, upload, knock up on the thing like the better be. That is a one, it's a something MC. What's that, it's a fat man day. Back up the way, bring the bring family. I say boom, it's a Philistine. Junglers, are you ready? R.I.P. Stevie Ebony, number one MC. You know, EA, one like fun star. More fire, navigator. You can't forget the balance with the hoodie hitter. Who loves the sea? Come in the shower. You can't forget face and teacher. Aya, bigger monster. Spider, black tarantula, MC danger. Macman, show them danger.
Long time on. Yes. Each little try, rough ride.
All about spinning risers in the back garden. Watch out the horse circle. Yeah, man.
Shit's about to get nasty right about now. You know this. Who ride to the sound like invitation, nation, more veteran, upper version, Persian, expose the knock, explosion, now ride to the sound like ambition, wish on for information, temptation, deliberation, into the sound like Sunini, so no let the know the let us aim in the man to concentrate, so enter, all sounding like a raver, all G to the market in the arena, chat to the video, get a bit of ball, when you get a bit of mind, when you get a bit of ball, but down to the bend of the full gun, John more to the man to the base control, memorizing, now supersizing, not there to the investigate, rising now to the top, not all climb men, not negative, form compromising, not there to the bit, but hypnotizing, not pumping it up, generating, aching, not minimal form of the rating, not dominant matter, not agent or vocation, no motivational, educational, straight in the heart of the vocation, no party out, not aggression, minimal to the day, to the man, to the day, to the man, to the day, to the man, to the man, not every time, no better, run a bass,
I remember when the big on the ring tonight, when the bass and drum, I started off with the Gary play, my boots on up to the bad boy ravers, myself, baker, give me some more, my DJ, you're more than more like me, step on down with the D, never the back, no come for the weed, having a silent, hyper rider, big in the band, and track your iPod, inside out, we know this song, we start jungle, it's school fever. Yes, he's ready for this one inside. We tell him again. Tell him again. The devil's in the place right through the weekend. Money that we're making, the money that we got, the things that we're doing, it's definitely not hot. But we step inside the place, you know we do it to them. The devil's in the place right through the weekend. Yeah, we tell them pump it up in here. The sound that we got away with sounding so clear. Pump it up in here. The sound that we got away with sounding so clear. Pump it up a little bit more. We're gonna hear that go more. Yo, give me some more. And I'm blaming it in the floor. In the floor, if I'm feeling, I'm gonna pump it, know you're feeling. feel fine all the time. It's the time of the Bible, right now, come like it's a night and again. When we come up for the weekend, when we got up for the weekend, when we come and they don't know that, we come and they don't know me. Back with the turbo, back to back, massive. This is how we roll, this is how we roll, and this is how we ride it. It's time that we got to with the face we provide it. Anytime we jump in the bass and climbing, we rhyming. Back with the turbo and we rave it.
Ready for the mic, ready for the mic. Is it incredible? Incredible, you can't see me, I'm invisible. Right to the back, I'm into it, cool. Wet the shit up to the moon. Never pass the medical. Wanna raise a brandle. Roll!
What's with the board? Ready for this one inside. Yeah, girl wants to date me, sending me crazy. Never watch a bad boy, never ever lazy. When I wake up in the morning time, I'm never yawning. Charlotte, we got to, it's never ever boring. Never gonna be that way, fun in the corner, picking the back up, I like us on at any time. When I come, I got the new line, old line is rap, mate. When I come, I got the new flow, giving the bass just to some low. When we come, we're taking a lot, and again and again and again, not. When we come, we're on the pepper. Yeah, that's right, they nobody better eat and Caesar for my dinner. Yeah, that's right, we coming through. Yeah, that's right, we passing. I better teach you moving. When you come and I'm proving. Yeah, that's why you give it to them. I've been giving to them. Someone need up through the weekend. Better we go up, better we live. Solo inside. And back to back, massive. DJ the champion, and we're hyperactive.
It's all about Christ's thing and me right about now. We're going live across worldwide. Right about now, this is the sound of the champion. Back to back slips. DJ Inertia. Running up the bass thing. And you know this? And you know this? Oh shit. We shall go with this comedy. We're gonna make it poverty. Oh, we're my fucking nuts. Man, this lovely, no jeopardy. The tax will come along and then he's taking all your money. What's the matter with this country? Need more drum and bass, no nuttery. Babies in their fields, farmers in their property. Now this is the way it's gotta be. Not happy, just a melody. Just perfect society. Not screwing us up at every opportunity. No keep the ravers unity. Constant continuity. No people having fun. No playing in this country. The seat is say corroded. The J is say encoded. Not everybody skip. The gun is fucking loaded. I wet my fucking nuts off every motherfucking day. As soon as I some money, but they say not on your way. Now what's this all about? I think we need a shout. Somebody with it, somebody with it, now we're not done. Somebody with it, get it, the sound of the mouth, the bit of the report, down to the base, to the base, to the bone, to the bite, to the mouth, to the beat, to the body. Day, coming out, but not do. We're gonna need it, we're gonna need it. We're shouting it up, we're gonna jump to the beat, to the mouth, to the base, on down to the mouth, to the base, to the mouth, to the base, to the mouth, to the base. Just roll. Now come on, I'm the bright boy, let them. Guys, go to the back to the bunch of your more than born, I got you know.
Yes, yes. Bring it up each and every time, rough. Hold tight. Rolling. Tell him. Tell him what? The system shit. Hold on. System check.
1-1. 1. Is that coming through? I can't hear nothing. Coming through. Put the amp on. 1-1. Alright, massive apologies, man. Technical gremlins coming in once again. But don't worry, we're going to get problems sorted. Just hold tight. We've got the sound engineer coming in right about now. And sorting things. Just give us 5 minutes, yeah? Please. Oh, please. You sit down, put your feet down. Have a nice cup of tea. One. Hold it. One. Mic check.